Ever dreamed of investing like a pro, but felt overwhelmed by Wall Street jargon and sky-high fees? You're not alone. Millions dream of building wealth through investing, but the traditional stock market can feel like a labyrinth designed to confuse outsiders. That's where robo-advisors like Betterment come in, promising a user-friendly, automated approach to investing. But before you jump on board, a crucial question arises. Is Betterment available where you live? In today's video, we'll navigate the world of robo-advisors and explore the specific case of Betterment. We'll uncover the reasons behind limitations on availability and delve into some exciting alternatives for international viewers. For those unfamiliar, robo-advisors are essentially automated investment platforms. You answer a few questions about your financial goals and risk tolerance, and the platform builds a personalized investment portfolio based on your profile. It then automatically rebalances your portfolio to keep you on track, saving you the time and hassle of actively managing your investments. Sounds pretty convenient, right? Well, the convenience factor is precisely why Betterment has become a popular choice in the US. But here's the catch. As of today, Betterment is only available to residents of the United States, Puerto Rico, and the Virgin Islands. There are a few key reasons behind this limitation. Firstly, regulations. The financial landscape varies greatly from country to country. Securities laws, tax implications, and reporting requirements all differ, making it complex and expensive for a company like Betterment to navigate an international market. Secondly, compliance. Betterment needs to ensure its clients meet specific eligibility criteria. This includes things like having a valid Social Security number or ITIN, individual taxpayer identification number, and a U.S. bank account. Finally, building trust. The financial services industry relies heavily on trust and established relationships. Expanding into new markets requires significant effort to establish brand recognition and build trust with potential customers. So, if you're watching from outside the US and feeling a pang of disappointment, fret not. The robo-advisor revolution is a global phenomenon. Here's the good news: there are excellent robo-advisor alternatives available in many countries. To find the best option for you, consider factors like investment minimums, fees, account types offered, and the investment strategies employed. Here's a quick tip. A simple Google search for robo-advisors in your country should point you in the right direction. Several reputable comparison websites can help you navigate the options available in your specific location. Remember, even if Betterment isn't an option, the core benefits of robo-advisors, affordability, convenience, and automated investing are still within your reach. Explore the available options, do your research, and take control of your financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.